This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Huh? Uh-oh. No. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Huh?
Oops.
Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. 4 of my bestest buddies. And now you can create your very own tip-top shapes pencil toppers. You will need gloopy glue, air drying clay, some paint, googly eyes, a pen, a pencil and a lolly stick. You can make any of the shapes you like, but I'm going to show you how to make our friend square. First, take a ball of air drying clay and use your hands to push it down and flatten it. Then use a lollipop stick and cut into the clay to make the straight edges of your shape. Now take a pencil and very carefully push it into the bottom of the shape. Then remove it. Let it dry, and once it's dry, paint your shape any colour you like. This one is blue because I'm making square. Draw on a smile. Stick on 2 googly eyes. And pop your pencil back in. It's ready! A totally top pencil topper.
I'm a shape.
Planet Earth. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Just imagine if you could hold the whole world in your hands. You don't think it's possible? Well, obviously you haven't tried this. Make the planet we all live on with scrunchy tinfoil and a paper plate. Very simple. You will need a blue paper plate, tinfoil, green paint, string, and gloopy glue. First, we need to make the continents of the world. Grab some tinfoil and start scrunching shapes. Glue these shapes to your blue paper plate. Then paint the foil shapes green. Very carefully, use a hole punch to make a hole in the top of the plate and tie your planet to a piece of string. And wherever you are in the world, have a great day. Have you heard about this idea? You'll earn your stripes if you make it. That's right, it's time to get busy like a bee with this cardboard roll bee. This is a painted cardboard roll tube, wrapped in black stripes and finished with paper wings and antennae. For this, you'll need yellow paint, a small cardboard roll, glue, black paper, light blue paper, and googly eyes. First, paint a small cardboard tube yellow. Stick 2 long strips of black card around the bottom of the tube, and then 2 shorter pieces of card inside at the top. Fold a rectangle-shaped piece of blue paper in half. Then draw a circle with a small rectangle underneath. It looks a bit like a tree. Starting at the folded edge, cut it out. These are our wings. I've stuck the wings onto the back of our tube and drawn a smile. And now I'm going to stick on some googly eyes to finish. All done. It's a busy, buzzy bee. Hello, Mini Makers. It's time to rev your engines and go car-razy for this make. It's a totally terrific toy car frame. You will need an old photo frame, some old toy cars, some paint, a lolly stick, glue, and a nice picture to go inside the frame. First, ask permission from an adult to use an old photo frame and then paint it a dark colour so it looks like the road. When it's dry, take a lollipop stick, dip it in white paint and print the road markings. Then add your toy cars to the road. And you're finished! Oh, the traffic looks good today, and this make looks really good too.